Hi everybody, it's nice to meet you guys in this 90-hour online course. We are Group 10. I'm Lin Cai, and there are two other group members. They are Lu Shaji and Rui Zesun. Today, we're gonna share our group project video to you. And our group project topic is time management. Time when there never seemed to be enough of it. So, here are a few things to consider, and we've listed three main parts and divided them into specific categories. And first, we want to talk about the time management importance. We know that the schedule in campus different from the one we have in our high school. So, we need to adjust ourselves to fitting the new environment better. So we need to just gain more skills to manage time well. And what's more, recently there's prospective study tested in hypothesis that college grade point average, which is known as GPA, would predicted by time management practice, which said that time management practices may have positive influences to students' college achievement. So, from that, we can obviously see that time management weighs a lot. So, the first part is the academic one, and the online classes are quite a new style to some international students who are expected to participate in online class on time and do their homework before the deadline, which is just like this course, and it requires time management skills a lot. And on the other hand, virtual classroom requires student to arrive on time. So I think it's really important to figure out what we're supposed to arrive in classroom is very important. And for the next one is doing the homework. And we all know that homework is signed for practicing that allows us to master the course materials well on the daily basis. So we should finish it parts by parts, but not just leave few minutes for doing it before the due time. And what's more, if we have some problems with our homework, we can turn our TA and professors by just making appointment with them, or just go to the professor's office hour. They'd love to help you with just the the problems that you have with a course or something more. And the third part of the academic one is preparing for exams and quizzes. And as we all know, preparing for quizzes and exams are important tasks to our students who are unfamiliar to American standard quizzes and tests. So we need to manage our time and find a balance between the leisure activities and doing the pre-reading assignment, or out-class practices like math lab, CSE lab, practices from textbooks and files, etc. And the second important part of it is like doing sports things, and to build up our health, Having a time schedule to work out benefits us to arrange our exercise plan, which help us to enhance our study efficiency and help us to just to keep our body strong, to not to be sick easily. Yes. And the second one is working, which is now the just the part-time job on campus. And actually near all of the college students would just grade that work experience is beneficial to our life compared to other specialization. However, few can deny that the time spent on study is less valuable to hours of working. Students should manage time to both enjoying in working and just do well in their academic part of life. And for the other thing is club activities. Yeah. Most of campus clubs have regular meeting every week, and usually the exact time for meeting is discussed at the beginning of the entire semester so that club members can schedule their time properly to make everything just goes well. And for personal part, that is eating. And actually what seems unrealistic but still exists is the problems of diet. The diversity of American food influences international students. But unfortunately, some of them spend less time in eating and just only eat fast food to guarantee that they have enough time to study. But actually, I don't agree with that. They should spend more time to eat healthy and make themselves just to have a good diet and just to keep fit, to not get fat. And so that we can just stay away from like high blood pressure or like that kind of stuff. And for another part is hang out with our friends. And it has to be admitted that friendship means a lot to every single person, but it doesn't mean that we should throw tons of time to hang out with our friends in order to maintain the relationship throughout the semester because we have bunches of vacations and fall breaks, which gives us chance to hang out with friends. And what's more, just actually, for example, uh, if you've just overcommitted yourself with co-curriculars or consistently let your 1 hour dinners turn into 4 hour gossip fests, you just need to adjust things accordingly. And I think learning to say no or I have to go start studying now can be one of the best skills that we learn in college when it comes to manage our time well. And for the last part of our project is about the sleeping time. And the richness of American style of life has a direct effect to students that some of them are busy to study till the midnight and others of them spend a lot of time in social places like party every day and both of these lifestyles just will just lose their time to sleep so that if we just cannot sleep well and then we just get tired easily in during the daytime so it won't keep our best learning situations during the daytime. So sleeping just is very good. Just it's you know, we can never emphasize the importance of this as enough. Yes. And that's all for our video, and thanks for watching.